Hi everyone, framing in this project is almost done. We use a couple of the long continuous LVL and also continuous metal beams. Everything is fully plumbed, completed. So let's go to the second floor, have a look to the roof trusses as well. This area is a void, like an opening, which you will see that in the finishing videos and the finishing stage. So we had the roof trusses up. We did plumb all of the walls prior to installing the roof trusses. We have a waffle ceiling in a couple of the areas in this ceiling. Everything looks good so far. Let's have a look around.